Hey guys, what's up? So today is currently Monday, February 18th, and my first dance competition of the season starts this Friday, February 22nd, which means I have about 5 days or so to prepare myself and everything I need to compete and dance on Friday night. If you don't already know, I am a competitive dancer, and I've been competing with my studio for a couple years now. So for this week's video, I thought I would take you guys along with me with my vlog camera as I prep and get ready for competition season to start on Friday. I made a list on my phone of things that I need to do and get before Friday. So the first thing on my list is to stock up on all of my competition essentials. So eyelashes, bobby pins, hair ties, hairspray, all of that good stuff. We got the goods. So next up on my list is to get a new leotard, because not only am I competing this weekend, I'm also going to be taking some master classes, and your girl has been needing a new leotard, and this is honestly just the perfect excuse to get a new one. We got the Leo. Task number 3 on my to-do list is to get my nails done, because my studio in particular requires all of us girls to get our nails done, which I'm honestly not complaining about. It really doesn't feel like competition season without a good French manicure. Hey guys, happy Wednesday. So I just finished getting ready for school, and I'm just about to head off to the computer lab to work on my online classes, but I thought I would just let you know that I have a nail appointment today at 11. So today is the day we're gonna fix these and get our nails done. I just got home from the nail salon and my nails are done. Step number 4 is to pack and organize everything. I personally use a dream duffel for dance competitions, and that thing has not been cleaned or organized since the summertime. I'm gonna need to clean all of that out and get rid of last year's costumes and put in and organize all my new stuff. One costume down, 4 more to go. Costume number 2 done. Packed. And the last thing on my to-do list is to just give myself a nice little self-care routine on Thursday, the night before I compete, just to kind of prep my skin for all the sweat and makeup that's gonna be on my face over the weekend. It's Thursday night. Let's do some skincare. Oh my god, I look insane. I'm gonna watch some Criminal Minds while I let this sit on my face for a little bit. Everything's packed up and ready for tomorrow. I'm so excited. Time to go to bed. Happy Friday, you guys. So I'm home from school and I'm just about ready to change and then get ready to head off So the competition season is officially here and I'm so excited. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this week's video. If you enjoyed it, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. I post new videos every Saturday and I will see you guys next week with another video.